One of the things that's most important at Tribeca is education. So having classes that cover every bit of what you're going to encounter in the salon industry is something that we want to make sure that every stylist, before they get on the floor, has covered.
I think one of the biggest things that I've taken from the apprentice program here at Tribeca is just the confidence level that you build. You get to be a part of every stylist's day-to-day processes.
What I do love about our apprenticeship program is not only the fact that branding gives the stylist an opportunity to be able to be an educator for our salon and be able to learn how to do that, but it also gives us an opportunity to be able to learn our color line, to be able to learn new techniques, and to be able to learn firsthand under Brandon especially.
In the apprentice program, you help assist all the stylists, you help kind of with trial and error, you learn a lot from their processes on ways to do things, ways not to do things.